Well, we're ready to go. I mean, we're going already. And Craig was waiting for me, I guess, to show me how to do it. To unmooring. How do you call it?
Yeah, unmooring.
And we are ready to go. Look back by 2 harbors. Christmas, and on the other side is Catalina. It's like 5 minutes walk on the other side. The island is like an infinite, like 8, right? Kind of.
And what?
You said it's like an 8 shape from above.
Yeah, kind of.
And I'm gonna do some videos, and then the captain's not gonna allow me to do it.
No, you're fine. Until we raise sails, you're fine.
Well, I dramatize the video.
Oh, I see.
I make it sound more dramatic. So you see that island there far away? Looks like a ship, sailing ship. Wild duck. And that one too. Looks like a whale. Pretty fun. We're gonna sail back to LA, Marina del Rey, and then go take a shower, dress up, and go for the film festival. Pictures Up Film Festival.